Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Canva step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Canva website. If you already have an account, click on the Login button. Enter your email address and password, then click Login. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button. You can choose to sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account. If signing up with email, fill in the required information and click Get Started. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Canva homepage. Familiarize yourself with the interface, which includes templates and design options. To create a new design, click on the Create a Design button. Choose the type of design you want, such as social media post, flyer, or presentation. You can also search for templates using the search bar at the top. Select a template that suits your needs. You can customize the template by adding text, images, and elements. To add text, click on the Text tab on the left sidebar. Choose from the available text styles or add a heading, subheading, or body text. To insert images, click on the Uploads tab. Upload your images or use Canva's library by clicking the Photos tab. Drag and drop any elements you want to include in your design. Adjust the size and position of each element to fit your layout. Use the Background tab to change the background color or add images. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the Share button in the top right corner. Choose to download your design or share it directly to social media. Select the file type you prefer for downloading, such as PNG or PDF. Click Download and wait for the file to be saved to your device. Review your design in the folder where it was downloaded. Congratulations! You have successfully connected with Canva and created your first design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.